Dahil nag-message na nga sa akin si Lolo Whitey, kaya dali-dali na ako pumunta sa ATM machine para ma-check. At nung na-check ko siya mga ka-vibes, nakita ko na yung salary namin. Kahit di siya kalakihan, at least, and we're so happy to have this second salary. The first salary that we received, it was last year. And then, nagluto kami ng arroz caldo dito sa amin, namigay kami sa mga bata. And it was so nice yung feeling na kahit papano, kahit konti, nakapag-share kami sa mga bata and they're so happy that time. And this time, we're planning to make or prepare breakfast, simple breakfast dito sa amin. Then kain kami together with our pamangkins dito lang sa amin. And we're hoping someday, pag meron na namang dating na blessing, we can also share it to other people. And we also like to thank you everyone for keep on supporting us.